What's up guys, Josh here of Yugatech, and behind me over here is a brand new TV by TCL. It's a 55-inch 4K UHD Android TV, and I can't wait to check this thing out. So without further ado, let's go! So, after opening this rather large box, you'll be presented with all the necessary accessories you'll need to get everything up and running. We have, of course, your leg stands, power supply, the TV remote, TCL branded AAA batteries, an RCA adapter, your wall mount bracket, and of course your user manual. Now after screwing in the legs and propping it up, let's check out the physical features of this TV. Now the front of the TV is nice and simple with some pretty thin bezels featuring a high-strength metallic frame, making it not only sleek but durable as well. At the bottom we have your TCL logo and a far-field voice microphone with 4 LED lights that indicate the microphone status. There's nothing on the left and right sides, but if you look at the back we have everything you need for input and output connections, including 3 standard HDMI ports, an AV input, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and of course a 3.5mm audio jack for external speaker connection. The TCL P715 comes with a built-in Google Assist, so you can talk and control it just like any Google device with its hands-free voice command feature. Now you can let go of your remote and let your voice do the talking.
Hey Google, how's the weather today?
Right now, it's 88 degrees Fahrenheit and mostly cloudy there.
You can even open apps by saying something like, "Hey Google, open YouTube." Nice. And just in case you're watching with a crowd and Google Assist isn't available to initially catch and hear your prompt, there's a dedicated Google Assistant button embedded on the remote, so you'll surely get the best of both worlds with this awesome TV, right? Now, before we move on any further, let's check out the remote control. We have your standard power button and number pad here at the top section, and below that are your directional and menu buttons, along with some more dedicated buttons for Netflix, Amazon Prime, IQIY, the TCL app, and again, a Google Assistant button since this remote comes with a built-in microphone as well. Now, with all of that aside, let's fire this TV up. So, upon turning the TV on, you'll be greeted with a startup page asking you to set up, connect to the Wi-Fi, and log in your accounts. After taking care of all of that, you'll be taken to the main menu where you can begin to experience all that smart TV goodness. Now this TCL TV comes with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, providing better user experience and of course the ability to download apps straight from the Play Store. It also runs on a quad-core 64-bit architecture clocked at 1.1 GHz, has 2 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of flash memory, capable of giving you a smooth experience while using this TV. Screen mirroring works quite well, as this is also one of the highlight features, especially for anyone who enjoys a nice mobile game while comfortably sitting on their couch. We also get a dedicated TCL TV app which lets you further customize your TV, control what you stream, and even use your phone as a personal remote. Nifty. As for the display itself, this 55-inch Android TV comes in with a 4K resolution which produces crisp and vivid picture quality, not to mention some pretty dynamic color reproduction as well with HDR10 technology. Pair this with TCL's narrow bezels and you're pretty much in for quite an immersive full-screen viewing experience. Now this TV is also capable of 4K upscaling, so Full HD videos can be enhanced to a higher definition, which means a more optimized picture quality even if the file is below 4K. As for audio, I believe you'll find this TV to be quite loud enough, as even at 50% volume, sound is crisp and clear with little to no distortion. Although if you're looking for something very bassy, we always have the option to connect an external speaker for a fuller sound. Again, since this is an Android Smart TV, there are a couple of extra features here that can come really handy for a lot of people. If your hands are too busy to operate the remote itself, like let's say when you're cooking, you can control the TV via voice as well as interact with your other smart devices connected throughout the same network to form a cohesive smart home environment. We also get micro dimming, which is an automatic screen brightness adjustment feature, giving better contrast and a more balanced light and dark performance. And of course, personally, my favorite part, the dedicated Netflix button that takes you directly to the app with just a single push. Now with all these super cool features packed into this 55-inch TV over here, you might think that this is something that could break your bank. But with a price of 25,995 pesos, it's a relatively affordable option given what it's capable of doing. Nice. Oh, and guys, before we end this video, TCL will be giving away a 43-inch version of the P715, and to participate, here are the mechanics. First, like the TCL Philippines page and SM Appliance Center page on Facebook. Share this unboxing video post and tag 2 parents you know in the comment section below with the hashtag YugatechXTCL. This giveaway will be on for the next 3 days, and on the 4th day, the winner will be announced, so don't miss out. So what do you guys think of TCL's brand new 55-inch Android TV? If you're interested, you could check one out for yourself at any SM appliance stores nationwide, and for any questions, you could always leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and as usual, stay safe.